It's looking a really stylish humidifier. I really like it a lot. This mister up here on top, you can change the direction. When I pick it up here, this is how you fill up the water. So I'll go ahead and turn it upside down, unscrew it, set that to the side. And I like to use distilled water in my humidifier, mainly just because then you don't have all the calcium buildup, depending on what type of water you have in your area. Plus, I always think of it as being a little bit healthier for you. All right. So I filled it up about a third of the way for right now. Get the filter put back in here. Screw it on, flip it upside down, put it back on. It's that easy. We'll plug it in. So I've got it plugged in now. Turn it on now. As you can see, the dial turned on. It started missing immediately as soon as I turned it on. So you can see it there. And here's our dial. So we're getting a good amount of mist from the humidifier. And we can plus and minus the mist. So I'm turning it down now. And I can also set a timer on it. So that's turned it down there for us. And on. So really nice design, has a lot of features on it and works well.